Hello dear fans. Platinum as a chemical element. Platinum is a chemical element with number 78 on the periodic table, the letter designation point and an atomic or molar mass of 195,084 g/mol. It belongs to the noble metals. Instructions. Step 1. Platinum became known in the Old World after the 16th century, but Native Americans had mined it many centuries before. So, in 1557 the European Schollanter in his book Exotic Exercises in 15 books spoke about the metal that is mined in Honduras and which is very difficult to melt. But after the discovery of the New World by the conquistadors, platinum did not immediately become popular in Europe, since for a long time it was considered a harmful metal. A similar reputation to this chemical element was provided by the property of easy fusion with gold, which was used by counterfeiters. Then the King of Spain even banned the import of platinum into the country, and the metal already available in Spain should be taken out of the cities and drowned in the sea. Alchemists began to experiment with metal only in 1820. Step 2. It is now known that the most massive platinum deposits are located in South Africa, China, USA, Zimbabwe, and Russia. Platinum nuggets are usually mined in the mines using the so-called Schlich sampling method. So the metal concentrate is dissolved in aqua regia, then ethanol and sugar syrup are added to it, which remove the excess HNO3 substance, then ammonium chloride is added to them, after which a dried residue is obtained, calcined at 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. Step 3. Platinum is silver or grayish-white. The physical properties of this chemical element also include the following: melting point at 1768, 30 C, at boiling point 3825 C. Platinum is also the record holder among other metals in terms of its weight and density. It is very scarce in the Earth's crust. Step 4. Scientists believe that the chemical properties of platinum are similar to palladium, but still exhibit slightly more chemical activity. Moreover, it reacts only with hot aqua regia. It is known that metal can dissolve very slowly, only in sulfuric acid concentrate and in liquid bromine. Other acids, both mineral and organic, do not have the same effect on platinum. When heated, platinum can react with other elements: sulfur, selenium, tellurium, silicon, and carbon. It can dissolve molecular hydrogen and form a volatile precipitate after interaction with oxygen. Step 5. The most common use of platinum is as a catalyst in rhodium alloying. It is also in great demand in the jewelry, medicine, and dentistry industries. In the production of laser technology, special mirrors and electromagnetic relays are made from it. Thanks for watching.